Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can open synthetic indices demo account. If you are getting started with trading synthetic indices, it's very important you start with a demo account so that you can practice what you have learned about trading and also get used to the platform used in trading synthetic indices. Before I get started, please, if you are new to my channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and turn on notification so that you'll be updated whenever I drop new video. Also, I have a link to an ebook in the description of the video. If you are a complete beginner and you are looking for a guide on how to build a successful trading career, you can check out the ebook. The ebook is completely free, so you can just download it and go through it. It will give you a trading guide, what you need to learn first, and how you can build a successful trading career in just few months. So thank you. Let's get started with what we have for the day. So to sign up, you need to visit the Deriv sign up page. I have included a link to this page in the description of this video. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to this page. There are two ways in which you can sign up on Deriv. You can either sign up by entering your email here and undergoing through the process of email verification, but the quicker way is by signing up with your Facebook or your Google. But if you want to use this option, you must make sure that the Google account you are going to use to sign up, you are signed into it on the devices you use in your trading. Let's say you sign up using your Google account, then you must make sure that you are also signed in into that Google account on your mobile phone and on your laptop, so that any day you want to log into your account, you can easily access it. But the other way is to undergo the process of email verification and create a password. In that way, whenever you want to sign into your account the next time, you just need to enter your email and password and log in. So I'm going to, because this is easier, once you just click here, it will ask you to select the email you want to use to sign up. Because this is easier, I won't go through it. I will instead make use of creating a email verification. But if you want to use this option, once you click on this, you will be signed up for Deriv automatically. But let's go back and check out the other option. So I'm going to enter the email I want to use to sign up. For this demonstration, I'm going to use a Deriv, my email derivtutorial.com, then at gmail.com. So I have a website, it's called derivtutorial.com. You can come and check it out. Also here I publish article concerning how you can use Deriv. You can come and check it out. I also include a link to this website in the description of this video. And here you will see many offers like the ebook I'm telling you about and some other things. So let's get back to what we have for the day. Email. I will now agree to their terms and conditions and click on create demo account. So they have sent me an email now. I have to go and click it to gmail.com. Let me load it up. So I'm going to see the email they sent to this Gmail account. As you can see, this one is from Deriv. I'll open it and then click on verify email. So it's asking me for my country. Of course, I'm from Nigeria, and also my citizenship is Nigeria. So I'm going to select it. Next, yes, it's asking for password. I'm going to enter a password. So automatically, I'll be signed up on Deriv. So I'm going to click never and then disable this quick walkthrough. So after signing up on Deriv, you'll be credited with this $10,000 visual fund. So I'm going to show you how you can create a synthetic indices account and then use this demo fund to trade using the synthetic indices to get used to the market and the platform. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is to click on this traders hub here. Once you click on it, then you scroll down and come here, this section called CFD. This one is just a kind of options and multiplier. Is a different type of market. You come down and click on contrast for difference. So this is derived demo, this is financial demo, this is swap free demo. So derived demo is the one that has synthetic indices pairs. Financial demo is for forex pairs, while swap free demo contains both the pair for synthetic indices and that for forex. But the purpose of this video is to create a demo synthetic indices account. So we're going to click on get button. Once you click on get button, it's going to prompt you to create a DMT5 password. DMT5 password is the password you will use to connect your Deriv demo account to MT5 application so that you'll be able to trade on MT5 using your Deriv account. So I'm going to enter a password here. Make sure you enter a password that you remember. They said the password is not special. It must contain special character. So I'm going to put one. So after entering a password you remember, you then click on create Deriv demo account. So it says the success. So click on continue. So after creating Deriv demo account, the next thing you need to do is to connect this account to your MT5 application. So to connect it, to see the login details, you just come back here and click on open. Once you click on open, you are going to see the details that you can use to connect your MT5, your Deriv account to the MT5 application. Also here, you can download the MT5 app for Windows. I'm using Windows to record this video. You can just click here to download the application for the Windows version, or you can open the web version, the MT5 web terminal from here and start doing your analysis. But if you want to connect your account to MT5 application, you need to copy these details. You note down the broker name, the server, which is the real demo, then the login. This is a kind of your account number, then plus the password. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section below. Also, in the next video that should come up after this one, I'm going to show you how you can use these details to connect your Deriv account to MT5 so you can start trading synthetic indices using your demo account. Thank you. Don't forget, I have a link to an ebook that you can use to take trading courses, the guide that what you need to do first as a beginner in forex and synthetic indices trading. So thank you and God bless you.